Nahirapan lang ako intindihin yung return to a Duterte-style governance, no? Kasi what do we actually mean by that? A return of extrajudicial killings? Yun po ba? Parang that is something that is unacceptable kasi the question on extrajudicial killings is still being litigated at The Hague today. Hindi ba? At okay siguro yun as a Facebook post, no, na parang ubusin lahat yan. Pero we will go back to the most basic point. If it comes to your doorstep, inosente yung kapatid mo, asawa mo, mahal mo sa buhay, subjected to extrajudicial killings. We just have to go back to Kian de los Santos. Hindi ba? Is that the governance that we actually want? Lives lost. Hindi ba? Childhoods lost. Tingin ko, that is something that is cute on a Facebook post. Pero in real terms, parang I don't think that is a life that we would want to see again.
Can I add something quick?